Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal International School, Morning Shift. I am going to take a class for class Junior 1, and today's topic I have written already. 2 balloons with color. With color means you do the color. And when you start your drawing, you must write down the topic first. And lecture number 6, HW number 6. So this one is very easy topic, and how you will draw very easily. Look at this, just like a V, and give a curved line and give here a triangle, and finish your drawing and give the thread. Again draw a V and give here the curved line and draw here a tiny triangle and give the thread like this, bend this and use this type of line. If you want, you can design here like this. You can design by your own self, not mandatory to follow my drawings. Okay, so this one is your balloons. So dear student, this one is with color topic. No need to follow my colors. Okay, if you don't have if you don't have any kinds of idea, you can follow my drawing, but you must grow your idea. Okay, you must generate your idea for the drawing. You must color the balloons like this. I have used here some pink color and blue color. On the other balloon I have on another balloon I have color here yellow and blue also. If you want, you can color anything. That means you can use red, you can use pink only, you can use sky blue, lemon color, yellow color only. So dear student, this one is your SW also, SW number 6. You must mention your SW number and color it and send it to every Saturday. Not only this drawing you will send it every Saturday, you just send it the next Saturday. But you must submit your every HW on Saturday at your school 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear student, practice more, no more today. Thank you.